Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a 3-look-1 palette video using the NARS Uninhabited palette. I hope I said that right. So this is the packaging of the palette. It's very shiny. It's like a really light rose gold and it has NARS all over it that's been lifted up. And this is the inside of the palette, so it's really gorgeous pinky neutrals. So there'll be 3 looks using this palette. And I really hope that you enjoy watching this video. I will say before I go though that there was a face palette that came out with this palette, but at the time I wasn't able to get it. So normally I would have, you know, the extra products that came out with the collection, but I wasn't able to get the face palette. So I will pop a photo up somewhere or on Instagram or anywhere so you guys can see that in case you don't know what it looks like. But it was gorgeous, and I'm almost certain though that it was just repeat colors in limited edition packaging, which NARS kind of does quite often. But anyway, that doesn't matter. I hope you enjoy. Let's get started with the video.
Alrighty, so to start off this eye look, I'm using my Holy Grail. This is the Too Faced Born This Way Jumbo Concealer, and I'm just blending that out over my whole eye space. So we're going in with this gorgeous nude shade. It's kind of like what I call a bone shade. And I'm taking that straight through the crease. And what I'm doing is I'm packing this shadow on so that I have a really gorgeous build-up of the shade. Also setting the concealer underneath. And as I do that, I'll pop a layer down and then I'll blend it up and out and then pop another layer down. So it really sets the base but has that gorgeous build of color ready for the next shade, which will be this dark matte brown. It's almost like a chocolate brown. It's absolutely stunning. And I'm basically just going over the exact same area that I placed that first bone color. And I'll start in the outer corner, outer V area, and really pack it on and then blend it out a bit and then pack some more on. The only difference is I'll take a bit of that first blending color and use it to blend out after each application and blend of that dark brown so that there's a really nice blended transition. I'm taking this shade on a soft flat brush and I'm patting that all over the lid. It's very muted. It is a brown, but it's like a light gray brown. I hope that that makes sense. But I'm packing that all over the lid, and then I'm taking this light pink shimmer on the inner corner, and then I'll go back between the 2 shades and blend them just on that inner half there, so it's a really nice blend. And then on the inner corner, I'm taking this light nude shimmer that will be the inner corner highlight. I'll also take a little bit of that just under the highest point of my brow for a little bit of a brow highlight. I'm taking that brown again, and as you see, I have that tape there for a really sharp edge. I'm going to use that brown matte eyeshadow as my eyeliner today. I'm just going to pack that on the upper lash line, sorry, and then wing it out a bit. Add some lashes, and that is the first look completed. For the second look, again, we're starting out with the Too Faced Born This Way Jumbo Concealer, blending that out all over the lid's eye space for a nice even base. Going in with this gorgeous matte pink right in the middle of the palette, I will be doing the same technique, packing it on to the outer corner of the eye, kind of almost going halfway over the lid, almost 3/3 over the lid, and really just packing that on. I did notice with this application of this eyeshadow, it was a little bit patchy. It did build up over some time, but it was initially patchy, so just putting that out there. So I'm packing that all over the lid in this kind of rounded shape that I'm going for, and then I will start to blend it out with a smaller pointed blending brush. This one's from Morphe. I don't have anything on that brush. I'm just using what's on the eye to then soften that shape so it's nice and blended. And I will do the same technique of packing on the color and then going in and blending it out. So I'm going to go in with this shimmer shadow, which is basically the same shade as the matte pink that we just used, but a shimmer version and just a little bit more red. Packing that all over the lid, and then again blending it out, packing it on and blending it out in that same shape. And I will dip in between that shade and the matte pink that we used on the base of the lid to blend. Then on the inner corner, I'm taking this light shimmer pink. It's really, really gorgeous. And I'll go between the two shimmer pinks to blend them together. And then taking that light shimmer shade on the inner corner for an inner corner highlight. I will also take that light shade on the highest point of my brow for the brow highlight. Then I'm taking this light shimmer pink and just using my finger to pop that over the top of everything that we've placed on. It's a really gorgeous glitter effect in it. Then adding some lashes, mascara, and finishing off the waterline with a nude pencil so that we don't look sick. For this last look, again, we're starting off with the Too Faced Born This Way Jumbo Concealer. Now, this look, I just needed to have a little bit of fun. I still don't know how I feel about it, but we're just going to do it anyway. So to start this look, I'm taking this light peachy pink shimmer and using a really big fluffy brush to push that into the outer crease and then blending it out. And I will build up this color by that same technique of packing it on and blending it out. I will also use this translucent face powder as my aid to blend out without using any other shades. I'm going in with that matte pink in the middle of the palette, popping that in the outer V, and then using the other pink shade to blend that into the outer V just for a bit of dimension and to really build up that outer V the most. Then blending it out with that matte shade so it's all nice and seamless. I'm going to go in with that light white shimmer and use my finger to pack that on the lid and then popping that under the brow. I really went in excess with this one because of how dramatic the look was. So this is the black face paint that I used and I'm going to use it for my detailing work. This liner didn't really work out for me. I don't know what I was doing. I just kind of went with it. I just created a really nice wing. I was super happy with the winged eyeliner. I probably should have left it at that and it would have been really gorgeous. But anyway, I am taking that black underneath the eye and lining it, giving it almost, I don't want to say Arab, but that really Egyptian you know, elongated inner corner. Really, really love that look. It just doesn't suit my eyes. So I'm going in with a neon pink face paint and just outlining the black, and then taking this silver glitter eyeliner and adding some details, and then I'll add some lashes, finish off the face, and we're finished with this look.
Alrighty guys, so that is it for this 3-look tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Let me know whether you got this palette, whether you like it. I would love to know whether you got the face palette and whether I need to sit in regret that I didn't get it. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments and I'll get back to you. I hope you're having a fantastic day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.